Wind spirit sing above, earth spirit deep below, water dancing with the moon, fire within me. Wind spirit sing above, earth spirit deep below, water dancing with the moon, fire within me. Wind spirit sing above.
Hello viewers, welcome to the path of astrology. Astrology is a very deep science. Today we will discuss something about Saturn, planet Saturn, and the misconception about Saturn. People generally think Saturn is a negative planet and it do always harm in its periods. But this is not true. Astrology is a proper science. It works according to the ascendant. The major factor comes from ascendant, which comes from time of birth and date of birth. So ascendant of a horoscope determines the planetary lordships. So ascendant is crucial factor. Saturn is not always a negative planet. Suppose for Aries ascendant, Saturn is 10th or 11th lord. If Saturn is placed in his exaltation house in the 7th Libra, it gives excellent results in profession. In its periods, it gives swift professional achievement and promotion. Similarly, said for Libra ascendant, where it becomes a Yogakaraka, 4th and 5th lord. Here for Libra ascendant, Saturn gives only beneficial result wherever it is placed. It gives only negative result only when it is afflicted by negative planets such as Jupiter for Libra ascendant. Saturn in the ascendant of Michael Jackson, the legendary dancer, made him a dancer of all times, a legendary dancer of all times to come. Saturn in the ascendant of Michael Jackson of Scorpio ascendant creates a yoga or 4th lord is in the Lagna. So lordship is the most important factor. Saturn as 4th lord in another Kendra Lagna gives most favorable results, conveyances, houses, everything you want. Not only Saturn, every planet gives bad result only when it is afflicted by 6th, 8th and 12th lords. But people say only Saturn gives bad result. That's not true. That's not true even for Rahu and Ketu. Even Rahu, Ketu and Saturn gives good result when associated with Kona lords, that is Lagna lord, 5th lord or 9th lord. It's true that Saturn becomes a tremendous benefit for Libra ascendant and Taurus ascendant. So, in many horoscopes of legendary person, Saturn creates yoga. Said for Vivekananda, the legendary religious icon, Vivekananda has Saturn in the 9th house of. So Saturn in the 9th house made him a dharmic, a spiritual icon, a spiritual leader, a guru. So also our Shankaracharya, Adi Shankaracharya, have Saturn in the 9th house. So many persons in our history have a strong Saturn in the 9th house, or a strong Saturn in the ascendant or 10th house. A strong Saturn is a highly beneficial point in a horoscope, and a weak Saturn, as also other planets, gives bad results. So the best remedial for Saturn is blue sapphire, Neelam, and you can recite the legendary Dasaratha Prokta Sani Stotra. Even the negative results of Saturn get minimized by reciting the Dasaratha Sanistotra and wearing blue sapphire or Neelam. Thank you.